A humble man of faith and a first-language Cherokee speaker, DJ McCarter lives a life of service and dedication to his community. Whether he's delivering a sermon or singing a few Cherokee hymns, DJ's passion is undeniable.
Kalonu heski amekuhi ulisikatula satai December the 1st of 1972 is whenever we moved in here. No furniture, just had a 3/4 bed. That's all we had. Grandma's house right over here. Dad tore that house down, built a log house, took the lumber off that and finished out. We lived in a tent for about a couple of years. I'm DJ McCarter, and I was born and raised in Briggs Flat. And this is my wife.
No, Francis McCarter.
We lived off the land. Didn't have money to buy anything. We lived off the land. My dad would say, all right, boys, let's go get some supper. We'd go squirrel hunting, go rabbit hunting, or go fishing. I didn't learn how to speak English till I was about 5 years old. And that's all we taught was Cherokee. And we'd have square dances at home on Friday nights. And it just hold down music, fiddling, guitars. And that's how I learned how to play guitar, watching my uncles play. And started playing in beer joints when I was 14 years old. By the time I was 18 years old, I was playing in a band that started drinking beer, and then moving from beer to whiskey, moonshine. By the time I was 24 years old, I was a full-blown alcoholic. My anger, the anger I had, I fought a lot with my brothers. And my cousins, I fought a lot. It was a miserable life, and I thought I was having a good time. Then I met her, and then she invited me to go to church with her. And the first time, it was in July of '72, that I actually heard what Jesus Christ had done for me. Whenever that missionary put his arm around me and told me that Christ loved me so much that he died for me, he was buried and raised from the dead. Made me mad. I mean, it made me mad. I didn't like anybody telling me what to do. And probably to this day, I still don't. But I just told her, don't ever invite me to go to church with you anymore. Well, then after we got married, and I was fixing a vehicle for somebody, don't remember who, putting an oil pan pack on. On Wednesday night, she said, let's go to church. I came out from under the vehicle and I said, I told you, never to invite me to go to church with you anymore. But I went and got saved that night. And I thank God for my wife, I really do. And she's by my side all the time. I don't go anywhere without her. After I got saved, things changed. Oh, Lordy mercy, things changed. Christ changes things. He's a changer. And it's always to the good. And that was 49 years ago. And I can truthfully say, I've never been out of church. Church became my life. became youth leader. I was the song leader, became a Sunday school teacher. Then the Lord called me to preach in 76. I've been pastoring ever since. And so here at Elm Tree, this is our home here. This is our home. And I'm the pastor, but we're the servants of people. We're their servants. And I did a radio program probably 16 or 17 years by myself on KTLQ. And we read it in Cherokee and spoke in Cherokee. We didn't do it in English. We did it in Cherokee. And a lot of people would listen to it. I enjoy teaching the language. We're fighting to keep it alive. We're fighting. And that's why we have our churchy singings, to keep our songs going.
We just visit and go and sing for people, even though a person passes on and maybe they don't even know the Cherokee language, but they always generally ask for a Cherokee speaker, and usually it's DJ.
We've done, hopefully, what we were supposed to do. And I hope that we've left an influence that's good. I love what I do. And it's just been a pleasure serving Elm Tree Baptist Church as a pastor. I'm still learning, still growing. And hopefully that I've touched the lives of few people in a good way.